Huh.
Okay, so it's all drilled. You can see it's a lot of holes. So just sharpen my gouge here, and I'm going to start. Whittling away on this thing. I tried to find a specific, just large gouge. I could not find what I was looking for. So I just opted to buy a set, and they worked out pretty good. They're not terribly sharp, so I've been fiddling with this. I don't have the inside stone, the rounded stones. So anyway, I'm just trying to get through this without refitting my entire shop. And so I also just cut out some radius blocks to stick up under the edge so that I can clamp this thing down and not have to chase it around. My memory is lousy because the other day, yesterday, I was thinking I had come up with a reason that I needed to have the dish, so I could just take a piece of 3/4 inch material and cut the hole smaller than this hole, basically, and set the whole thing in it, and then it would support it as I was. And I came up with another reason besides just carving it, and now I can't remember what the reason was. So I'm just not going to take the time at this point. I don't even know where I got this great big old mallet at, and it's a little bit too much. But it's been hanging out here for a long time. So we've got this basically coarse sanded and fairly detailed around the edges. So next up would be to start this side, get it to the same point, and then change over to finer sandpaper in my oscillating tool. And the reason I'm waiting is I tend to rip those things right in half, so I can't reuse it. They come off the backer for some reason. So anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and do this one side, and then I'll coarse sand it, and then I'll fine sand everything. But I'm taking a break on this right now. Getting all that knocked out and then sanded and everything is quite a chore. So I'm going to wait. So I'm going to go over, probably put the kerf lining on the top edge of this body right now. So.